on now.
Reverend James Cleveland.
Never heard about
all of them.
like that.
When he rebuilt the nation in 77, the first man to open up his door with him was a pastor.
Right.
In Chicago. He didn't have a place to meet.
Reverend Al Sampson, all of them.
You real?
Father Michael Blanco, all of them.
So why we let titles and this separate us when the Christ come to unite us all? Because we got to fight the mark of the beast. We got to fight Satan. So we got to all come together to get rid of the titles. Right? Because in the Bible, now, you know, I didn't write it. We didn't write it. But the Jesus that we supposed to be waiting on, he never said he was a Christian. Find it in there. It's not there. Right? But what did he say? Not thy will, but my will. I submit to do the will of God. What is a Muslim? See, some of us reject something that we don't understand it. But if you didn't know Spanish and I said, give me some pesos, I got some pesos for you. Right? You don't know Hebrew and I say you got some shekels. Some of us don't know what shekels are. That's what the currency is in Israel. They call shekels. They ain't called dollars. Right? But if you don't know what this is, you're gonna reject it. I don't want none of that. But then I told you, man, shekels is cash. That's another word for cash. Right? You mean like, oh, give me all the shekels you got. Right? You change that attitude real quick, right? Come on now, I want them shekels, right?
Teach hard.
And we do a lot for the Almighty.
There you go. Speak the people language, brother.
Right? So the X means Christ-like because, family, this Christ figure is supposed to come from the face of God.
That's right.
We have another man that said he met God. You don't even got a white man that say he met God.
Come on, man.
Because his people would take him to task if he say something like that.
Right.
You don't remember all the people, some of y'all might don't remember when the year 2000 was coming in? You had the white people saying the end of the world, the end of the world. The news anchors and all the media, they was mocking them people. Their own people. Like, no, you ain't got the power to predict nothing like that. You talking about it, they laugh, look at this one. Y2K and all that.
Save water. Get all the water you can.
But when they talk about the Nation of Islam, they keep us away from what we really teach and really believe. They don't talk about that. Right? So the Most Honorable Louis Farrakhan in the school system. You think about a man that did all of this work. Left a successor. Because all of our other powerful black organizations, religious or non-religious, they didn't leave a successor. So most of you don't know about them now. Right?
You teaching.
Noble Drew Ali was powerful. He didn't leave a successor. Marcus Garvey was powerful. He didn't leave a successor. Martin Luther King was powerful. He didn't leave no successor. Right? Black Panthers was powerful. You might see the new Black Panther, they ain't nothing like the old Black.
Just in name.
Right?
Just in name.
And some of us, when I just said Black Panther, you might have thought about the Marvel movie. You didn't think about you repeating and Fred Hampton and Mark Clark. You know what I'm saying? Geronimo Pratt. You didn't think about this. Right? Come on. But they ain't leave a successor. But the Most Honorable Louis Muhammad for 44 years left the nation fair for 3 years, and then his spiritual son built it back, so now we're still here in the same form. We in more cities than we ever been in. Right? The minister that taught more people than the Most Honorable Louis Muhammad taught. And the minister go overseas and they open up the door to him. Right?
Well, that in the UK, and come on.
But us in the hood might don't know who his name is. Who's Farrakhan? I don't know Farrakhan. I don't know who that is. Then you go find a hater, a detractor on the internet talking about the nation. They ain't real Muslims. But I got a video of him going to Iran meeting with the supreme leader. I got a video of the head sheikh in Medina. In Medina, gave the minister his cloak and his staff. And then said, I pray for you, brother, 500 times a day.
Teach hard.
That's right.
Receipts.
What?
Give him the receipts.
500 times a day? So this brother just praying for Minister Farrakhan all day. He don't do nothing but pray. What do you do? Praying. Who you praying for? Farrakhan. Farrakhan.
All day.
Right. All day, every day. He gave the minister his staff and his cloak.
Come on now.
Show you this important.
Right. So what are we supposed to do with this knowledge and saying we're a student of him? Right. Where else you gonna go and be a 0 or a 1 and be made a 10?
Go ahead.
Right. Make you a 10.
Go ahead.
You that talking about.
Yeah.
Brothers, they talk to the brother. Brothers, I'm just saying what we talking about the number, right?
Right.
When we see a good looking sister, we say that was a 10.
Right.
She was 8. And we know we say she was a 9.
Right.
But we know, okay, she was high up there. And if she super tough, this ain't for y'all. If she, I'm talking over here. If she's super like that, we just use the word like that. We gonna say, brother, she was a 12. And we're gonna pass 10, right?
Wow.
So it's the same thing in y'all secret councils and y'all secret meetings. Y'all talk similar to this. Y'all might have another thing, but y'all understand what these numbers is. Because you might even say to yourself, I'm a 10. Some of y'all might be honest and say I'm an 8.5. Right? I'm getting close. You hear me? But you know what we're talking about. So let me just paint the picture. The Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, the teachings of the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan will take you from a 0 and make you a 10. Right?
All white mouth.
That's why I say, in Christ like, X means I have the knowledge of self in God.
Yes.
X makes one 10 times better.
Right.
10 times.
Right?
Teach the word.
Lord have mercy.
Teach the
X
word.
means one who can unite and save others.
That's
right.
That's
Well,
right.